Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a nested folder within the Art browser. And if you don't know how to create a folder, you can check out videos within the playlist on this channel where you can learn how to create a folder. Now, before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Right, or to make it easy, just simply right click and create a new folder, and you can name the folder. Right, now the purpose is to show you how to create a nested folder. So let's say you have a folder that is already created, but you would like to add folder within that folder, right? That is called a nested folder. Now find a folder in whichever space that you want to create and just right click on that folder, and you will see new nested folder. So you can click on that folder and you can name that folder whatever you want. So I'm going to name this folder, let's say Drew Tutorial. Let's put it like that, right? And just go ahead and click enter. And if I'd like to add whichever website under that, so let's say I go to youtube.com and I would like to go ahead and find the Drew Tutorial channel. So let's say I put it like that and I go to the Drew Tutorial channel. And I go to this Drew Tutorial channel. As you can see, I am on the website here, but this website is literally pulling from the folder that I have, which is the YouTube videos, right? But I can go ahead and I can make like a duplicate and I can put this under my nested folder of that particular website. So how do I do that? I can simply right click on this one from the left hand side and I can duplicate it. And as you can see, it make a duplicate. Now from here, I can drag it and I can put it underneath the nested folder. As you can see, it goes under the nested folder. And from here, you can see that this one, I can easily go ahead and it can be like a Drew Tutorial like that. It will be saved like that. And for this second one here, you can see it's on the Drew Tutorial. And from here, as you can see, the second one, it is now showing the Drew Tutorial page, right? It is under the Drew Tutorial, as you can see, but on top of that, the first one, it is set to YouTube. And you can always go ahead and you can rename it and you can say videos, hit the enter key. And from here, it is how you can add other URL within the nested folder. Of course, you can always click the new tab, visit a new web page. Once you add that new tab and you're on that web page, you can drag it underneath that nested folder, whichever nested folders you've created. But that's all there is to it, guys. That's all. You can go ahead and you can create nested folders within your Art browser under your various folders. There you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.